In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot My Talking Angela smartphone game app on your smartphone. So if you are experiencing any challenge with your game, maybe this game app is too slow or it can't open, or if it opens, it crashes, then let me show you how you can fix and start playing normally. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, there are quite a number of steps you can take for you to be able to troubleshoot My Talking Angela app. In the first method, we need to go ahead and access the app information page through settings. So for this, I'll go to settings and then scroll down and look for apps. From apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps depending on your smartphone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you find your app. And as you can see, My Talking Angela app is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your app using the search function here. So if I tap on it, you can see we are on the app info. At this point, we want to go ahead and clear the app data. Now to clear the app data, go ahead, and more especially we want to clear cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data. So when you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience. However, accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to solve this problem, go ahead and clear all of them by tapping on clear data here and then clear cache and OK. At this point, restart your smartphone and then open it, and this should have solved your problem. However, should this not solve your problem, then go ahead and again under app info, tap on clear data, and this time round clear all data and OK. Now this should solve your problem. However, should you still experience any challenge, then proceed to the third and the last method, and that is to look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. So for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store, search for my app and look for an update. Should you find one, it means you have been using an outdated version of My Talking Angela app, which might contain bugs. Go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and install the latest version of My Talking Angela app that contains the latest features and that runs smoothly. From here now, you can proceed and start interacting with this app. So that's how you can troubleshoot My Talking Angela app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, let me know in the comment section which of these three methods was able to solve your problem. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.